In this video, I will show you how to replace the air filters on your IQJET. Switch to the Service section. Tap on Smart Care and Instructions. Tap on the Replace the Air Filters button. First, you can decide whether you want to check or replace the air filters. In this case, I would like to replace the air filters. On the next page, the assistant displays the number of the required filter kit. Always observe and follow the safety signs for this assistant. Below, you see the tools you need for this activity. As soon as you have prepared everything, tap Next. Open the front door of the printer. Take the new outlet air filter. Hold the filter with the tag sticker to the reader on the printer. Continue to hold the filter in this position. The printer reads the information from the tag sticker. If everything is okay, you can register the part. By registering, the printer knows that the filters have been replaced and automatically sets the date for the next check. Keep the filter in this position and tap on the Register button. Remove the back panel. Tap on Next. Unlock the outlet air filter and remove the filter from the back panel. Insert the new outlet air filter into the back panel and make sure that the filter is locked correctly. Tap on Next. Attach the back panel. Tap on Next. Open the front door and the filter unit front door. Unlock the inlet air filter and remove it from the filter unit front door. Insert the new inlet air filter into the filter unit front door and make sure that the filter is locked correctly. Close both front doors. Tap on Next. That's it. Tap on End to finish the assistant.